Our world is having a leadership crisis, and today I'm going to talk about the missing component that's causing it. You probably already know that leadership has nothing to do with titles, so it's not that. What's missing in the leaders around the world is love, compassion for humanity. And I know leading with love sounds really trite, so I want to explain this a little bit and break it down. What we're missing is the love that a parent would have for their children when they don't overly indulge them. They love them, so they keep an eye on the big vision and they do what's best in the long run. That's what's missing. The world is full of leaders that are either self-absorbed and egocentric and doing what's best for them and their pockets and growing their authority, or they're doing what their constituents may be asking for the short-term comfort that's not good for the long-term vision. We're missing the long-term vision and the actions we need to take to support humanity in a loving way, to give the world what it needs, not necessarily what everyone wants short-term. There's no one easy strategy or quick fix to the crises going on in the world, but I can tell you right now that it starts with love. An ability for everyone to have compassion for their fellow humans and doing what's right for the long term versus what's easy, convenient, or profitable for the short term.